G'day and welcome to one of my happy places. Summertime on the Goulburn River. This is the new Air Opus from Purple Line and it's a little ripper. This is a self-inflating camper. It's got a self-inflating tent. So from the time we pull up, 90 seconds and she's all set up and ready to go. How good's that? That's great for lazy people like me. I've got my friend Jason here from Purple Line and Opus Campers. And he's going to show us something sensational on this new little camper. It's got remote control movability, so you can get to your site and move it wherever you like. Take it away, mate. It's great for those really tight little campsites where you need to manoeuvre around and you can't do it with the car attached. This is a really revolutionary product, isn't it? To be able to set it up so quickly is just terrific.
It's a game changer, all up in 90 seconds. By the time you drop down your legs, set your beds up, the tent's inflated and you're ready to sit back and enjoy the scenery.
And no, it's not a jumping castle. It's a camper trailer. How easy was that? And this is a good, tough, real off-road camper as well, isn't it?
It is indeed, and we class ourselves as tough luxury.
Tough luxury.
You don't have to rough it any longer. You can go out in style and really enjoy your camping.
Good, tough trailer with full independent suspension under there as well.
That's correct, and we've also got our co-jack jacking points. So if you do need to change your spare tyre, there's a nice secure point for our co-jack to lift up the tyre.
Which is great for safety as well.
100%.
Well, it's all got all the comforts of home. Let's find out what's in it, eh?
Let's do it. We pride ourselves with our final finish and making sure everything comes up to our standards, which is extremely high.
Yeah, you got double bed front and back.
Correct.
And you've also got that drop-down dinette as well to make another bed. So you can really sleep up to, what, 6 people in there?
6 people in there without a problem.
Yeah, that's amazing. So, facility. We've got power and we've got water. They're the two necessities in life.
Twin 80-litre water tanks hooked up to separate pumps so you can isolate which tank you wish to draw from. 200 amp hour AGM deep cycle batteries on board.
Yep.
Plus we have two 40 volt fitted throughout the unit.
And a projector charger, battery management unit, and you can plug in through the Anderson plug as well.
Spot on.
To the vehicle, or if you've got an auxiliary solar charger or something like that.
That's exactly right.
It's all there, isn't it?
We try to make it all fit.
I actually really like this camper. I think there's a lot of innovation in this. I think there's a lot of quality in this. Even the tank quality on this one, we see a lot of campers that may be good and solid, but their tent quality is put down. This is about the equivalent of 14-ounce canvas all the way around. Zip quality is good. Got plenty of overhead screens, plenty of light coming through, plenty of air coming through. We've been up, we've been down, we've inflated it, we've dropped it down, I've crawled up, I've crawled underneath. To me, it's really nice to see innovative product hit the market, and you couldn't ask for more innovative than this. Air Opus, I reckon it's a ripper.